Today, we're diving into confidence, what it is, why it matters, and how to build it. What is confidence? Confidence is the belief in your own abilities, qualities, and judgment. It's not about being perfect, it's about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. Confidence fuels success, helps you face challenges, and enhances your overall happiness. Some of the most common causes of lack of confidence are: 1. Fear of failure. Constantly worrying about making mistakes or not succeeding can paralyze you and erode your self-belief. 2. Negative self-talk. Inner dialogue filled with doubt and criticism weakens your mental strength and confidence. 3. Comparison with others. Measuring your worth against others' achievements leads to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. 4. Past traumas or failures. Painful past experiences, like rejection or failure, can create long-lasting feelings of unworthiness. 5th, perfectionism. The pressure to meet unrealistic standards often causes procrastination and a lack of belief in your ability to perform. You can improve your confidence using these 5 simple steps. 1. Set small, achievable goals. Start with simple tasks to build momentum and prove to yourself that you are capable. 2nd challenge, negative thoughts. When self-doubt creeps in, counter it with positive and rational affirmations. 3. Focus on your strengths. Make a list of your skills, achievements, and qualities, and revisit it whenever you feel uncertain. 4th step, outside your comfort zone. Confidence grows when you face challenges and take risks, even if they're small steps. 5. Take care of yourself. A healthy body and mind contribute significantly to your sense of self-worth. Exercise, sleep well, and nourish your body. Try the following affirmations for 1 week. Repeat them each morning and evening, or whenever you feel the need. 1. I am capable of achieving great things. 2. I believe in myself and my abilities. 3. I am worthy of success and happiness. 4. I learn and grow from my challenges. 5. I deserve to be confident and loved for who I am. Building confidence takes time, but every step counts. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on building self-esteem, overcoming doubt, and living your best life. Share your favorite affirmation in the comments below. See you next time.